Hi guys! What's up? It's me, Lois. So, today I got a very special package from Lazada. So, let's go and check it out. Here it is, guys. So, I ordered a monitor and laptop bracket because I will be buying a new monitor, a second monitor for my gaming PC. Here. So, moto no. I bought this one and I will be installing this soon once na nakoy bago nga monitor, and we'll see. I'll be streaming again soon and mag-vlog na sad siguro, char. Vlogger yarn. But we'll see. Kung asa pa daton. So again, today is Friday. This will be my first content. So see you on the next episode. Peace out! Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday, January 22, and it's the second day of vlogging this content, char. But now it's Saturday, it's my RD, and I'll be going to the city to look for some monitor, char. Ki-career na dyan sa. Ito, adatag city ron kay magtanong tag monitor, keyboard, and then mouse if kaya sa budget, char. So yeah, see you guys on the next episode. Ciao. Hi guys. So it's still January 22, Saturday, my RD. So we just got home from SM. Kabuya. So, gikan may SM lang, namalit niyo bag ko nga mouse from Republic of Gamers, and then keyboard, new mechanical keyboard also from Republic of Gamers. So, mechanical keyboard, the best. And lastly, I already got my new monitor. Woo! Let's go! My new monitor, second monitor, baby. So this is 144 Hertz and then 24 inch. So second monitor. Alright, let's go streaming. Let's go! Gikapoy jugo, guys. Pero worth it. See you on the next video. Peace out! Hi guys! Yo! What's up guys? So today is January 22, Saturday. Happy RD! So i-tour na mo sa na-install sa kong mga manghod. So here we have the laptop and the second monitor attached by the bracket. So here's the bracket, guys. So there. Then here we have my RGB extended mouse pad. Then here's my Republic of Gamers mechanical keyboard, choy kaayo, og mouse, the best. And here's my main monitor and my webcam, right, with the tripod. Let's go. So yeah, whew, all worth it. And my gaming chair. And here's Princess. Hi guys. So mo na gid no, nahuman na gid. So let's check it out. Ay sa kay Google. Let's go. May nagidong project, guys. So nag-wait na ako sa akong isa ka order. Nag-order ko microphone. So, yeah. Happy na yun. It's all worth it. You're beautiful. Ah, diba? Tcharan! It's all worth it, guys. Peace out. Nagsabot. Hi guys! What's up guys? So I'm back! So today is... Once again, what day is it? It's January 27, Thursday. So happy Thursday guys! So karon kay special day kay nakagasto na ta. Joke lang. So bitaw nakapalit ko LED strips. So gibutang na ako siya dito sa kanang kanang shelf kanang mga Marvel. Basta kanang mga doan nina. And ipakita na ko ninyo unsa siya kahayag, unsa ka maanindot. Unsa kahayag bitaw. So, let's go! So, ako i-off ang lights kay para sa tawagan na. Makuha na nyo unsa ka nindot. Ma-check. So, diba? So, i-off na akong lights and ako siyang i-on dito. Alright? Let's go! Okay? Guys, napakudre. Git-git kayo. So, atang i-plug. Alright. Here it is, guys. Diba? Let's ato ilisag color. Red, then green, blue, then combinations are green and red, so orange, this one, the contrast colors guys, and mas bet din ako. Purple. Mas bet din ako guys. O, diba? Nice, ah. Mas tinutod ang green. Plain lang. So, I'll turn on the lights. Hi guys! So, nakita na ko, no? So, morning. Red, green, blue, and kamo na ibala tanana. So yeah, more to kayo share guys, and hopefully mahuman na gid na akong project, hapit na gid guys. Okay, usan lang jud ko order akong gihuwat, and that is the microphone, and that will be the next video. Peace out! So, before ko mo out, wala lang. Bye guys! Hi guys! What's up? So, today is Friday. Basta Friday. January 28, Friday. So, naabot nga package no, akong pinakagihuwat, naabot na giton siya. So yeah, this is my microphone. Alright, moment na gini guys ang akong project. So kuyugi ko mag-open na ni. So bago rin siya naabot from Lazada. So this is a microphone for connect na ko dari. Yeah, let's open this. unboxing. Kibo mo unbox ano. Wait. So guys, mo man na ginikaroon nga adlaw ang akong project. I'm so excited guys. Kay basta excited kay ko. I've been dreaming for this one char. Mo man ni siya. Akong small project. Here it is guys. Tan! O, diba? Murag pangkon. Professional. Alright. So, let's open this. Sorry kay guys, kay gahid siya. Wait. Wait lang. Kaya siya, no? Or di siya public, di siya paggamit kay gahi kayo. Chill sa mo da, chill. Argay ke. Mabalik na ko if naabli na ako. Hi guys! So I'm back. Sorry for the inconvenience. So na-open na ako. Here. Here guys, let me show you what's inside. Hindi siya makita, no? Here guys, hindi siya makita pero here's the basta naadari tanan. Mura jog amaw no. Basta i-install na ako ron and mag-video ko for the last time. So let's go. Hi guys, so this will be the last video. Tanan. So itorta mo sa akong munting PC setup. Here is the newly installed microphone. O, diba? More like true. O, diba? Then, so happy guys. So worth it. So, dito lang siya gibutang, no? Ano siya diya. Then, tapit sa akong webcam. And this will be the outcome. Yeah. Then one akong PC guys. Tanan. There. What's up? What's up? Hi guys. Yo. So this will be the last episode for the vlog, Char Vlogger Yarn. Pero guys, I'm so happy kay nahuman na gid akong project. Na-install lagi tanan guys. It's all worth it guys. So ako like katambog no, if you really want something, go work hard for it and ayaw give up dayon and just pray, trust to the Lord, and And basta, manifest your goals in life, guys. Kay maabot na ganyan yung tanan. Just like this, I never dreamed to have this kind of setup. Kay knowing nga, dili kay ko gamer, char. Pag gamer lang. Meto, and nakahimo dyan ko ani, guys. See? So, it was all worth it. It was not that easy. Pero sa pagpaningkamot o pagsalig lang niya, then nakabot dyan na ako, guys. And yeah, we'll see you soon sa akong next vlog and next project. Kung saan sa akong project, kanang mga gasto na sad. So before I will end this video, I will like to give a very special shout outs to my very close friends. Namely, Bianca Bunye. Hi Biancs, if you're watching this, alam mo na. Alam mo na. Then, Shalini, yo, my friend. Kibones ka. Then, Vincent Kamba. Vince! My partner sa Balo. Tara, let's play soon. And ako'y Mike. And then, Eliza Gore. Lice! Kibones ka. Salamat kayo sa pag-help na ako katong mga ni Agi. So, yeah, bawir ako soon. And then, for the QA team, special mention ko sa akong mga pinaka-close na mga QA, sila Joshira. Hi Joshi! If you're watching this, shout out to you, my friend. ML soon, and then Sir Jopman. Sir Jop! Idol. ML Tason, sir. And then Rina. Rin! Gi-shout out na gitigha, di kita kalimutan. And then, yeah, ang uban kay next time na lang, and I will panload. And we'll see you again on my next vlog show. Peace out!